This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal to Facebook. First, open your Facebook account and look for the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it, then navigate to the Settings and Privacy option. From there, select Settings again. On the left-hand menu, you will find a section labeled Payments or Add Payments. This is your central hub for managing all financial transactions and payment methods on the platform. Once you are in the Payments section, you will see an option to add payment method. Click on this button to proceed. A list of various payment options will appear, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Select PayPal from this list. It is crucial to ensure that your PayPal account is already set up, active, and verified, as this will streamline the connection process significantly and prevent any potential delays. After selecting PayPal, Facebook will securely redirect you to the official PayPal website. Here, you will need to log into your PayPal account using your registered email address and password. This step is vital for authorizing the connection. Once logged in, PayPal will ask you to grant Facebook permission to use your account for payments. Carefully review these permissions and then confirm. You will then be automatically redirected back to Facebook to finalize the setup. Upon returning to Facebook, you should see PayPal listed as an active payment method within your Payments section. This confirms that the connection was successful. You are now ready to use PayPal for various Facebook services, whether it is for running advertising campaigns, making purchases on the marketplace, or sending donations. Remember, you can always return to this Payments section to manage your linked accounts, update details, or remove PayPal if your needs change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.